day people, goeiedag mense. Good day people, goeiedag mense. Now I'm going to replace this clutch master cylinder here. Ek gaan nou die hoofcylinder van die koppelaar vervang. Nou waar is die ander? In ieder geval, eerst die afval. First take it off. Where is it? Alright, that's loose. Long spanner, 11 spanner. 11 sleutel daar. Kan nie daar sien nie. Wonder if I can make it clear. Maybe like that. Let's see. It is recording. Was it daar? Out the cylinder goes. Get it back to that. Okay. Sorry for the shaking going on. I have to operate it quickly. Goed, we zijn er op. Dan komen we hier bij die verhaal. Zo. Difficult to work with one hand. And now you stand like this. I opened the package already, and now this was a long story. Drip. Okay, let's see. So what happened here was I ordered this in January 2025. I think it was the 13th of January. Then in February, I ordered this. A month later, hierdie bestel en die 13 January. Right, and then when I went to the post office, and they told me, now, you mustn't come now. They will give me a call. Sal my 'n belletjie gee of a SMS stuur. And they sent me an SMS. I don't have to come there. Okay. So I left it like that. Ek het dit gelos soos dit. En ek kom toe daar verlede week, last week. When was that? What was the date last week? Today is the 18th of April. Dis die 18de April vandag, 2025. So verlede week was dit. Nee, ekskuus, dit was nie verlede week nie. It was on the 15th. Die 15de. Ja. Die 15de of April. 15th of April 2025. I went there and I asked them for they must look up what happened to this package. This one from Greece. Let's open this book quickly. Right, let's get it there. This thing came from Greece. And original part, genuine product. Okay, we'll check it just now. Now this thing is dripping there. Put it somewhere else. Maybe there. Okay. And leaking. There's drip there. So. Now, I live here. Now let's get this welding rod on a piece of steel or whatever. I live there in the center. And oh my, and Greece must be there. So from there to here, it took a long time. Het 'n lang tyd geneem om van daar af gegaan tot daar. Van daar af tot hier. 'n lang tyd geneem vir deze ding. Alright. So then he said, the guy said, yeah, there is a package for you. They didn't think give me a call. Hulle het nie my belletjie gegee nie. Net stil gebly. Right. So, toe het ek die ene gekry. Hy gee vir my die ene. He told me that this one is there. Now, this one comes from what place is it? Poland. So this thing came from Poland. This gasket. It's a Medusa gasket, the one with the 3 notches, 1.6 millimeter thick, they say. Okay, so that we went to get there. That one was there a week before. It came there a week before, so they didn't phone me that it's there. Hulle het nie my 'n belletjie gegee dat dit daar nie, or SMS gestuur or nothing. So when I went for this inquiry, because I already told the seller it's missing. So anyway, so then he looked up and said, "Oh, there's another package, but it is Plettenberg Bay." Now, Plettenberg Bay is here, more or less. I live there in the center. Let's go closer. Right, I live here, and Plettenberg Bay is down there by the sea there. Okay. So then yesterday my brother picked it up at the post office in Oudtshoorn. That's 60 kilometers from here. You can't see it on this map. It's too close. But 60 kilometers from here. Okay, let's open the package and see what's going on there. I already cut the tape, the sellotape off. Right, let's see what goes on inside there. Die binnekant aangaan. Well wrapped. It's wrapped in bubble wrap there. Yeah, and then it's also bubble wrap inside. Bubble wrapped as horreltjie plastic toegedraai. So as 'n oorspronklike. Waar is die? Oh my. I'm going to quick. There it is. Okay. That must be there. Oops, now you can see there. A washer and a rubber. And it's not cracked or perished, nothing. It's 100%. Fits around the pipe and you use the plastic pipe. So it comes in here. Dry and dazzle. Plastic pipe. So I'm not going to open this story. En net kyk of dit werk. Okay, that sounds okay. Check the genuine plastic cap, made in France. Stupid. Must have put the light on. Let's put the light on. That doesn't help here. Something like. Anyway, right, put the light off. Right, must be like so. Let's go back to the pickup. And I hope it's that cylinder. It's not on that bucket there. Let's pick up there. Hope it is high in the sunny. Well, I'm going to fit it in that one. If this one is a good cylinder, I'm going to fit it on that one because one of these pickups has a bad cylinder. So let's go to the pickup there. First get some brake fluid. Yep, let's take it with. Neem het saam. Wait, before I take it with, I must get the spinner for this to undo this thingamajig here quickly in the vise there. Right, so I've taken my modification out. Might go closer. So begin harder, right? Get the pliers. Come on. That is it. Right, it's clean out inside there. And then I'm putting this cylinder in there. I tried to undo this, but it's tight. So then I realized that this must only fit in there. Uitgevind dat dit net so inpas. Right, en ek draai daarin. So. And it's tight. And I don't need that. This washer and that washer. I don't need that. I can keep it for spare. Ek nie nodig, ek kan dit vir spaar onder vir spaar hou. Okay, let's go back. Now this thing is going to fall out. Right. Before it falls out. Now we're back at the pickup. Alright, and I must enlarge it or bring it closer. Bietjie nader bring. So. Nou moet die ding aan die pyp kom daar. This must fit on this pipe. And another problem is, oh my goodness, because of this extension here, sien daar is 'n extension, I'm off at the bottom there, so I must force that pipe, I must bend the pipe. Because it's XD3 motor here. There is an XD3 motor there. So it has a clutch slave cylinder is for the XT3 motor, the one bolted on, not the round one with a circlip. It's the one with a slave cylinder, clutch slave cylinder is the one bolted on onto the bell housing on the klokbehuizing of die koppelaarbehuizing ingebouwd. Die slaafcylinder, die koppelaar slaafcylinder. So het nie die een met die cirklip en die sikkelklip om krimp om nie. So ek moet nou daai staalpyp buig. I have to bend the steel pipe. Come on, you. Come. Some more. Some more. Spring loaded. Okay, that is good. Put the nut on. See. I have to check. I have a brake fluid leak somewhere because I see this the brake cylinder reservoir went down a little bit. It's a little bit down. That reservoir, that one is slightly down there. So somewhere is a leak. I must check that one out. Where is a leak? Because it's all new cylinders. Replaced all the brake cylinders are replaced. All new. Maybe it's a pipe. Miskien is 'n pyplek. 'n Lekkasie op pyp. fill up with. First time to fill it up with breadfruit. What have I ever done with the breadfruit bottle? Oh God, it's up there. So yeah. So how do I bleed it? Hoe bloei ek dit? I'm going to pull that lever up, put my finger on it. Oh, no more air coming out. I pull it with my finger up there. Push it out. So ek gooi net 'n bietjie remvloeistof weer in. Like so. En klaar gebloei. It's already bled. It's full. So I put my finger on that spring valve thing there, and I pull the push it out up at the bottom until the air stops coming up out of there. Now it's bled. Okay, let's go put the tighten the bolt. Now the pipe. Right. Long span. 11. Then I put this thing on. Cap up on that. For the moisture. Dit is vochtigheid daar. Goed. Nou gaan ek kyk nou. Hierdie. See what goes on here. Don't close on this lot here. Talking to the door. Keep the door open. $100%. Good. Alright, so then I'm going to say bye-bye from this video. Alright, let's say bye-bye from this video. Tot ziens van die video. Peace. Peace be with you. Peace by jou wees. En tot tot ziens. Dankie dat julle na die video gekyk het. Bye bye. Thank you for viewing this video. Oh, thank you for back to front, whatever. Talking story, ja. Agterste voor om praat en besigheid. Hieroor. Tot de volgende video. Until the next video. Bye. Tot ziens. This is now the old cylinder. I'm not gone yet. Ek is nog nie weg heeltemal nie. Weg nie, hier is ek nog. Dit is die ou cylinder. Ja, ons kyk gou wat gaat aan hier binnekant. Let's have a look inside here. My brother's sister-in-law with an Opel car misfiring. An Opel car. I stick to diesel engines. I stick to diesel Peugeot motors. Alright. Check it out. I better stop this video until they're gone. Okay, they're gone now. I've stolen the Opel badge in the center. Somebody had stolen the badge. Okay, out of the grill. Let's go. Have a look in this cylinder here. What's going on here? In the sunshine. Alright. See if we can see something going on here. You can't see there. But in the center there, about there, in the center here, there's some pitting going on there. So this is a bad cylinder. Alright. Now the original cylinder. It's a 1978 model. It's a 1978 model bakkie pickup truck that. So what does it give us? 3 often, what is it, 50 years. 47 years, can that be? 47 years old. So now that cylinder can last another 40 years or plus. If somebody cares for the pickup, as iemand na die bakkie kyk, dan behoort dit 40 jaar te kan hou nog. It should last another 40 years if they look after it with a new cylinder fitted and the all new brake cylinders fitted and so on. And I think I'm going to import going to buy a windscreen for this pickup or the other pickup. See which pickup window glass is the worst. And replace the windscreen glass from overseas. There's an importer in South Africa. He only imports classic car glass, side glasses, back rear glasses, windscreen glasses, and I'm going to buy a windscreen from him. His name is Leon. Okay, let's go. Say bye bye now for this video. For real. I must assemble this all just now. Put it all back. Somebody wants the cylinder. Danny wants the cylinder. He's going to bring his car for a Ford diesel station wagon one day to make a video of it as well. So for now, bye. Tot ziens van nou af. Tot de volgende keer. Volgende video. Until the next video. Peace.